Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by verifying the MSI model and BIOS revision, because secure boot options vary by firmware. Once done, reboot and press Delete or F11 to enter MSI Click BIOS 5 immediately. Use a wired USB keyboard to avoid missed keystrokes. Make sure you've disabled Fast Startup in Windows and prepared a recovery USB in case the system won't boot after changes. You also want to note current BIOS settings so you can restore them if necessary. You navigate to the Advanced or Security tab and find Secure Boot Configuration. This is where the actual flags live. Once found, change the Secure Boot mode to Standard or Windows UEFI mode to install Microsoft keys. This enables trusted OS verification. Make sure the BIOS boot mode is UEFI and that Compatibility Support Module, CSM, is disabled because Secure Boot requires pure UEFI. If you have an option to install default keys, choose it so the standard DB/KEK keys are populated automatically. You save changes and exit the BIOS, then allow the system to reboot and validate that Windows or your signed OS boots cleanly. If the machine fails to boot, don't panic. Re-enter BIOS and temporarily disable Secure Boot or revert to your prior boot mode to regain access. If problems persist, restore BIOS defaults or clear Secure Boot keys and reinstall default keys, then try again. One key troubleshooting tip. Keep a recovery USB handy so you can repair boot files if Secure Boot blocks startup.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.